Okay, good evening once again. You are welcome to this board once again. And today marks the third day of our training again. So we are continuing from where we ended the last time. Or continuing where we ended the last time. We ended at how to insert pictures into frames, how to insert pictures into frames, and we've run through all. And by now, I hope we all got what I taught. We all got what I taught. So you've practiced and you get to know how to use that also because a time will come, I will not talk on board. I'll let you people show off your screen and you demonstrate what you've learned so far. You demonstrate to us what you've learned so far. So wherever there is an error, then we try editing that sector. Try editing that particular point. So, guys, I hope you'll be doing constant practice so that you become perfect because in graphic designing aspect, we just don't learn and just leave it that way. So, you try saying to yourself that, oh, now I'm qualified because I've got to know how to use. No, 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 you are not qualified to that extent. You have to be how like say you have to make a constant practice. Constant practice. Maybe your teacher has taught you how to use this formula, but you have to learn more so that you'll be able to use another formula to get to the same point. That's how you get to learn Photoshop. Learning Photoshop is very broad. Someone will use a different aspect of designing to design the same flyer you want to design. So we don't learn to end. We don't learn to end. We need to learn more for you to become the best, the best. So let's move on to today's section and what we have for today also. Today, what we'll be learning is how to give out strokes, how to give out strokes, and how to give out gradient strokes, how to give out shadows, how to give out shadows to text, how to give out shadows to images, how to give out shadows to objects and shapes. That's what we'll be learning for today. That's what we'll be learning for today. And in our previous learning, so far we've learned many. How to launch Photoshop, we've learned it. How to select for a paper, we've learned it. And I've told you that in designing, we normally use the international paper and we also use the custom. The international paper consists of the A4s, consists of the Bs, consists of the Cs. That's the international paper column. And in the custom column, we do have the inches over there, maybe 12 inches, 13 inches, 14 inches, and so on and so forth. That's what we have for the custom. The custom means you customizing a number or customizing a size. Customizing a size. Maybe the size is above a feet. You won't get it at the international paper. You have to go to custom. Then you type in the size over there. You make sure whenever the number or the digit is above 12, you make sure the resolution is at 72 for your machine to run faster. Maybe you making your resolution at 300, it won't worry, but you saving it will be the problem because bruh, it will, it won't save fast. Because it won't save fast. Missing a yard, it won't save very fast. That's why I said you have to make sure the resolution is at 72. And the international paper column, you have to make sure also that the resolution is at 300. The resolution is at 300. That's the international paper column, so that your work won't be delayed. Your work won't be delayed. So let's move on to what we have for today. So I'll start sharing my screen. So now I've shared forth my screen now. So now I've shared off the screen now. So we move straight to what we have for today by pressing on Control N to open a new page. So this column has an international paper with E6. Resolution is at 300, so it is perfect at this center now. Press on enter. So now we've opened for our paper, paper size, our paper size. So I said earlier on that we'll be learning on how to give us shadows to text images and also how to give out strokes, how to give out strokes. So we've learned on how to give out a background. So I'll go for a background first. Maybe my background is already set already. So just draw this gradient. So I'm giving out a background now. So we go for a text. Click on the page, then type in any words. So let's go by silver, silver is a gentleman. Press on enter. He always wishes good to to everyone. So now this the text which I've written now. So I want to give this text a shadow. Want to give this text a shadow. So you move to the layer content, you double click on it, then you move to drop shadow, tick in the box, tick in the box, then you double click on the drop shadow, increase the size. When you are increasing the size, you see a darkened part at the back of the text. When you distance it, the shadow will be distanced from the words. When you spread it, it will spread around the text. When you reduce its opacity, that means you are reducing the color. Make sure the color must be thick black, which is 100%, 100%, or I can decrease it to maybe 89 or 80, or let's say 82. So now I've given for shadow to this text. At the shadow content also, we do have the blend mode. Maybe you can change this to abstract to change. Maybe you change this to hue to change this to situation to change this to lighter to change, maybe change this to multiple to change this to dissolve to change. So any way you like it, you can change it to. So we have changed it to overlay now. So that's how we apply shadow. At this same shadow content, we do have the quality of a shadow. So we do have, when you click on this, we do have the contour, we do have the linear, we do have the cone, we do have the cone inverted, we do have the curve, there's the curve, it's a curve. Then we do have the curve again, we have the question, we have the half round, we have the ring, we have the ring double, we have the rolling stroke, we have the rounded steps, we have the sawtooth, sawtooth, sawtooth one. So that's its quality. So maybe I can change this to this, change to this, change to this, change to this. Any one of the choice. So I'll go in for this, which is the Gaussian, the Gaussian, the Gaussian. So press on OK now. Enter now. That's how we apply shadows to a text. That's how we apply shadow to text. So I'm zooming it out for you to see it clearer. So now we are about to give out stroke to this text, stroke, so double click, you move to stroke, second stroke, double click on it, increase the size, so it's of black, maybe I want to let the stroke be of blue, or maybe this color. So now I press on enter, decrease the size a little bit. That's how you also give strokes to it. If you reduce the opacity, so the opacity should be this. We do have positions. Inside stroke to go this way, center stroke to go this way, outside stroke. This is how it is. So we do have the inside stroke, outside stroke, and then center stroke and the center stroke. That's how we apply strokes to a text. If you want a gradient stroke, move to fill type, click on it, move to gradient to give you two different colors. So you need to just increase the resolution, the opacity. So maybe I double click on this and I choose this color. So you notice that the color is of 2 now. That's the stroke. It's of 2 now. We do have the red and the black. That's how we apply strokes, and we also apply shadows to text. Shadows to text. So let's go by a shape. Let's go by a shape. So maybe I go in for a rounded circle, draw the rounded circle. So now I've drawn a rounded circle. I want to give this rounded circle a stroke. Click on it, double click, and move to maybe I want to give it a gradient stroke. Increase the size, then we double click at this center. Double click on this, and then we go for a background color, that's the blue over there. Press on enter. Then we change from this black also to this color. Press on enter, enter, enter. So you get to notice that the stroke around the circle is of 2 colors now. The stroke around the text is of 2 colors now. So we want to give out a shadow to this. Then we click on this, the elapse 1, then move to shadow, or click on it, then increase the size of the shadow, then opacity, increase it, then increase the spread also. Maybe I want to spread to this size. That's how we apply shadows to text. So you get to notice that I've applied shadow to the text, apply shadow to the object, apply shadow to the these two. They have also uh, give out a stroke, a single color stroke, and a gradient color stroke. That's how. So let's give out a single color stroke on top of this. Let's give out a single color stroke on top. Let's go for another shape from the custom area. When you click on custom area, you move to property bar, the property on top. Click on this to see different kinds of shapes. So maybe I'll go in for this, then I'll draw and position it. So now you have to, now I want to change the color. I'll click to change the color to white. So we want to give out stroke to this. Double click, then click on stroke, click on stroke, increase the size. I want it to be inside. So click on inside, then change the color to red. Press on enter. Enter. I've given out stroke, which is inside stroke to this. Inside stroke to this. So we want to give out a shadow to this also. So you double click on this, click on, take the box of drop shadow, double click, increase the size, increase only the size. Press on enter. That's how we apply strokes to this shadows to this also. Shadows and stroke to this also. That's how we apply shadows and strokes to this also. I hope by now you guys will be okay with it. How I did all this. How I did all this. So let me type in another text before text to click. This is maybe I type in God is alive. God is alive. So now go for a bit to position the God is alive. I want to give out a stroke to this. Double click, take stroke, double click on it, widen it, double click, select both any color of your choice. Press on enter, enter. That's how we apply strokes to all this. That's how we apply. We apply a gradient stroke and a single stroke, a single color stroke. Single color stroke. That's how we apply that also. That's how we apply that also. So for you getting the video, you have to learn more and practice more for you to become expert. So don't only study only this video and work on it. Just study it. Constant practice will make you perfect to get to know more features in there. That same color of strokes, you can change it to any style. That's true. So you have to learn more and get to know it more. You have to learn more and get to know it more. That's how you go by the strokes, you go by the gradient, you go by the shadow also. So learn, learn more to get to know more about it also. So learn delete all again, then we begin everything afresh. So gradients, you have to change the color first. So this time I'm going to change the gradient color. Click. Maybe I'm going for let's pick before. So now we've changed off background now. We are going for this shape. Draw shape. Go for the picture. If you want to give out a stroke to it, click, take in the box of strokes, double click on stroke, widen it, or click on color, give it a color of green. Also enter. That's how you give out a stroke to it. So maybe change the color of this black to red. Or let's obtain black. Let's obtain black. So now for me to type in the text, click on the board. Then I type in electricity power and yeah, is out of time. So now I'm typing electricity power and is out of time. So now position it, move to the text column, click on it, Control E, center it, position it here. So I've typed in this. I want to give out a stroke to this, which is gradient stroke. Double click, click on stroke, double click, click on fill type, move to gradient, widen it, double click on this, click, click on this, press on enter, then double click on this also, click on this, press on enter. So we've given out a gradient stroke to this. That's electricity power at the now is out of hand because now we apply that also. So now I want to make a duplicate of this. Pull down the box to make a duplicate, or press on Ctrl G to make it. So pull down the box, duplicate, bring it down, then go for the text, maybe change, I say information for Ghana. So I've typed in information for Ghana. So here I'll give out a shadow to this text. Shadow. So double click, move to drop shadow, take in the box of shadow, double click on shadow, okay. Increase its spread, its size. Press on enter. So now we have applied all what we've learned today to this to make a simple design. Applied all what we've learned today to make a simple design. So the design goes by this way: electricity power is out of hand, and the power signs over the information from the lab. That's a simple design with colorful colors. That's how go by applying shadows, stroke to text, gradient stroke to text, shadow to objects also. That's how we go by GAR or that's how we go by GAR also. So you learn to better yourself more. Learn very well to better yourself. Thank you very much, and we'll meet